And you know, one thing that I love about working on your own stuff, installing your own stuff, upgrading your own stuff. Put this dope rear view camera in here. It's pretty neat. I was able just to back up real smooth. I'm about to show it to you, man. Sometimes all you have to do is upgrade what you got, or utilize what's old and turn it into something new. Bam, check it out, check it out. I'm talking about perfect. Now, I couldn't have did that without that backup camera, but I got it off of Amazon and this radio, and I installed it myself. Sometimes you got to do what you need to build your business. That makes sense. If it makes sense in the stuff that you do to network, hey, invest in it. Hog on.